Hey guys, John here, Vapor Honing Technology. Today, I want to talk about vapor honing etching the surface. It's a question that people have all the time. Does vapor honing etch the surface of the part? The answer to that question would be, if you want it to, it will etch the surface of the part, depending on the aggressive abrasive that you're going to use. Now, vapor honing will not etch the surface of the part if we use a polishing abrasive or something that is round in nature in a bead formation. But yes, vapor honing will etch and will strip the surface of a part, and that is one of the big questions in the world today because people see these beautiful, bright, shiny parts, and that's where vapor honing excels for many different industries, but it does give you a prepped and etched surface for bonding any specific coating of your choice. You will need to use aluminum oxide abrasive, silicon carbide abrasive, crushed glass, garnet, any of those very rough, textured, sharp parts or abrasives, and it will etch the surface of the part with enough pressure. So hopefully that helps. If you guys have questions on that specific application or process that you need help with, call or email the sales department. They're always here and happy to help. As always, thanks for watching.